Hello and welcome to Debbie Loves Designing. Well, I made some lovely earrings out of safety pins. I made two different designs. One is like this, where it's in the center and bead, and one is with the beads are at the side. So the beads at the side, or the bead, oh, I picked up the wrong one. The beads are in the center, like that, center, which is my personal favorite. But I just wanted to show you how I did both. So what you're going to need is obviously some safety pins. I'm using silver. You can use gold, I suppose. Yeah, you can use gold ones, but I'm using silver. I just thought they looked better. You're going to need those. You're going to need some earring hooks of your choice. I'm using these ones. You're going to need, if you're going to do this one, if you're going to make this earring with the beads down the center, then you're going to need some wire. A bit of wire. Well, you'll need two if you're making two pairs of earrings, because I know some people like to wear one. Which are, this is a 24 gauge silver plated wire. Half hard it is. And I've just cut it roughly to the same size of the pin. This is just another combination I made. I've cut it the same size as the pin, but it's going to be cut a little bit more, but I've just cut it that. So you'll need two if you're going to do two pair of earrings. So let's put those over there. You're going to need some beads of your choice. And I've put 4 beads. I've put 4 beads on this design. And this design, I've put 3. I made another combination of ones with like orange and stuff. Show ya. Orange. And the beads are small. They're called micro beads. So I think it works better with micro beads. So you can either use 4, or if you're doing the other design, 3 in each one, in each on each earring. So 3 in one, or 4 in the other one. So obviously if you do 2 earrings of two of these, you're going to need 8. Or if you do 2 of these ones with the one in the center, you're going to need 6 beads, 3 on each. The earring hook, I'm using these lovely little micro beads. And also you're going to need cutters. And the reason you're going to need cutters, because you need to cut the if you're going to do the one with the beads down the center, you're going to need this wire, half hard 24 gauge wire. So you'll need the cutters to cut. I've already cut mine, but these are called flush cutters. Good sharp ones they are. You're going to need round nose pliers here. And you are going to need chain nose pliers. Or you could use flat nose pliers if you want, but these are chain nose pliers. I think they call them snipe pliers as well. So what you need to do is pick up the earring. I'm going to do the one with the beads down the center first. So you need to pick that up, and then you need to pick up your bit of wire, because what we're going to do is make a loop in it so we can attach it here. So pick up your round nose pliers and there, clamp it at the end, clamp the head, and turn to form. Look in there. Don't really want no space up there. Just there, to form a loop. We're not going to close the loop too much. We're going to form a loop, because what we need to do is attach the hoop onto the top bit of this bit. So we're going to just That's it. We're just going to hook it on. So just hook it on. Just looking at it here. Okay. We're just going to hook it on here. Like so. So once you've got the hoop in, place it inside and then have it sort of hanging the hoop downwards like so. And then pick up your pliers. Then you're going to pick up your pliers, your chain nose pliers, and then you're going to close the hoop. So put it over and just close it. Close it together. And what you can do, if it's a little bit fiddly for you, you can just kind of hold it and push it like that until it is closed. So I'm just going to check that it's closed. Yes, it's nice and closed. So as you can see now, it's nice and closed, the hoop. So we're going to thread some beads on and then we're going to cut here because it's a little bit too long. So I like you picking up, putting on the little crystal. First of all, I'm going to put on the little crystal. If I can see, yeah, just seeing the whole little crystal. Thread that on. And then we're going to thread on the pink. Thread on the pink bead. There. Thread on the pink bead. And then last but not least, the crystal one. That's if you want that combination, you know. But that's what I like. I like kind of like to alternate. So make sure that the hoop is downwards, and you've got, yeah, the hoop is going downwards because the earring hook is going to go at the top here, and it's a little bit too long, but I did it like that because I wanted to kind of judge it a little bit. So all we're going to do is cut this about half and then close it like a hoop. So roughly, see, that hoop might be roughly, take a little bit by little actually. So then I'm going to take, so I've cut it, then I'm going to pick up my round nose pliers, clamp the end like that, and then just close it like so. Have a look at that. Just going to fix it. It's a bit too bent, so we're going to just fix the hoop and close it underneath the bead, and I'll just bring it next to it. And it's a little bit bent, so just straighten up that hoop. So I'm going to just close the hoop underneath. So it should look something like this, with the hoop at the top and the beads are nice and closed. So that's just hanging so cute. I like that. So then all we're going to do next is pick up the hoop, pick up the earring hook and give it a little opening. Open it, and then we're going to use the hoop side and hook it on. Just hook it on like that. And then we'll simply close it, just bring it together and close it. So there you are. Closing it. You've got a nice cute little pair of earrings. Let me just tighten up the back there. So I'm quite pleased with that. Got a cute, let me bring the other one. make sure that they match. Yes, they do. Got a cute pair of earrings. So there you are, you got a cute pair of earrings. And I like the way the little beads hang in between. So with the other, if you like the other style, or you haven't got a spare bit of wire, then all you have to do is pick up the other pin and put it in the combination that you like. So I'm going to put the same thing, just open it. Be careful with your fingers when you're threading this on. And put the crystal one, then the pink bead, which is, pink is my favourite colour. The pink bead is just, yeah. The pink bead goes on next. And then we're going to pick up the crystal one to thread on next. Just see the small hole. Just finding the hole for it, because it's so small. Yeah, I've got that on. And then just the pink one is the last one. Just finding the hole for that. Yeah, found it here. I found it. And then just close that one. So there you've got that there. And then you just pick up your earring hook of your choice. I'm using this one. I tried these other kind of roundy ones, but I didn't think they looked that great. And again, just open the earring hook a bit and thread on the earring. Thread on the pin at the top. See, it's like that. Take up your round nose pliers and bring it, close it down. Just take it again and just bring it down. Yes, and keep bringing it down until it meets. Or if you've got a little bit of problem with it, you can always pick up your chain nose pliers and close it. Just to give it a little adjustment there. Just give it a little adjustment. So there you are. You've got two pairs of lovely, trendy earrings made easily out of safety pins and a few little items. Quick, easily, trendy pair of earrings. I was looking at some gold pins, but I don't know. I might try it next time with some gold pin earrings that I saw on the net. So thank you so much for watching my channel. If you like my channel, please consider subscribing. Please press the like button if you like the channel. Please comment and share to anyone else who fancies a bit of creativity. And I'll put my social media links down below, and also my Etsy shop where I make jewellery, which I've got so much more to come. Thank you so much for watching my channel. I aim to post every week. I think they're in usually around Wednesday. I've not quite got the day proper yet, but I aim to post every week. So if you like the channel, please consider subscribing and click the notification button so they know that so you'll know that I've made another video. And thank you so much for watching. Have fun and bye for now.